Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Rising Star. I am Dhruva Biswas. Today I shall tell you about our talented lady Neha Banerjee, who secured rank 20 in UPSC CST 2019. We are so proud of her, so let's start. Neha Banerjee, born in 1995, she is an Indian electrical engineer from Kolkata, West Bengal. Before appearing in the UPSC exam, she worked in an MNC company for last 2 years. The result declared on 4th August 2020 online. Due to the coronavirus pandemic in India, the department delayed the result declaration. Pradeep Singh has topped this year. Additionally, Jatin Kishore and Pratibha Barma secured second and third positions respectively. Biodata of Neha Banerjee. This is her biodata. Look at a glance on it. Some unknown facts about Neha Banerjee. Neha is passionate about singing. She participated in several competitions during her college days. She included diary writing in her daily routine. When she felt depressed from any issue and she penned down her views in her diary or copy. Like the other engineering aspirants, she has chosen a non-medical field and cleared it. She planned to go for IIT and secured her place. Over there, Neha Banerjee found her interest in the electrical engineering field. She realized that her branch has a huge scope in her coming days. After finishing her graduation from IIT Kharagpur, she employed in a multinational company and worked for around 2 years. In 2020, she left her job as she was not satisfied with her work in the company. She wanted to do something different in her life that can be useful for her country. She prepared for the UPSC examinations while doing her full-time job at Adobe company. However, she was in fear of her preparation strategies. She did not practice much for the essay based on mains level questions. Her focus is to get practical knowledge of the subject. She visited the different places for the field studies to gain complete information about the concerned subjects. Neha chose the electrical engineering field in the UPSC mains examination. She planned to take the technical subject as she holds a strong knowledge in it. She visited Delhi city to give the free mock interviews organized by the unacademic team. The teachers who took the interview realized that she could clear the examination. Banerjee appeared in an interview arranged by the unacademic team's official Murnal Thakur. She discussed her success strategies and fears while attempting all the three levels of the examination. It's enough for today. I shall come tomorrow with new videos. Stay connected. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.